In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments and assign action items in a spreadsheet. This is a quick, reliable way to keep your team aligned, capture context right where the data lives, and make sure tasks don't get lost in chat or email. Start by opening your spreadsheet and clicking the exact cell where you want to add the comment. Picking the right cell matters because the comment will be anchored there, making it easy for others to see exactly what your note refers to. Next, right-click on the selected cell to open the context menu, then choose Comment. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. A comment box will appear at the side of the sheet, ready for your input. Type your comment clearly and concisely. Give enough context that someone reading it later understands the what and the why. For example, you might explain what changed, what you're noticing, or what decision you need. To assign the action item, type the @ symbol, followed by the person's name or email address. This tags them directly. Make sure you're tagging the right person who owns the task, not just someone who happens to be following the document. Tagging the correct stakeholder will keep momentum and avoid back and forth. After mentioning the person, write the specific task or request. Be direct and actionable, and include a due date if one exists. For example, you could say, "Please update the data by Friday," or "Confirm the final figures for Q2." Clear, time-bound language helps the assignee understand exactly what's expected. When your comment looks good, click Comment to post it. The tagged person will receive an email notification with your message and the action item, linking them straight back to the cell. This ensures they see the request even if they don't have the spreadsheet open at that moment. Finally, follow up within the same comment thread. The person you assigned can reply with questions, provide updates, or mark the thread as resolved when the task is complete. If something changes, you can add another reply to keep all context in one place, right next to the data. And that's it. By selecting the right cell, adding a clear comment, tagging the correct person, and posting your actionable request, you create a tidy workflow that's easy to track and easy to close. Use this approach consistently to reduce confusion, speed up decisions, and keep your projects moving forward.